Hello and welcome to another walk around video with us here at Subaru of Saskatoon, located at 471 Circle Place. Today we are looking at a 2024 Subaru Crosstrek Limited in crystal white pearl. This Crosstrek sits on 18-inch rims and has seating for 5. Taking a look at the front, we have steering responsive LED lights and LED fog lights. Under the hood of the Subaru Crosstrek Limited is a 2.5-liter Boxer engine that produces 182 horsepower, paired with a CVT chain-driven transmission and Subaru's full-time symmetrical all-wheel drive. Taking a look at the inside door panel, we have our mirror locks and window controls. For the seating, we have a two-tone gray leather with a 10-way power adjustable driver's seat and a sunroof. Taking a look at the steering wheel, we have our Bluetooth and audio controls. On the right side, we have our cruise control, drive mode, and heated steering wheel. Moving over to the center dash, we have an 11.6-inch touchscreen infotainment system, which also controls your climate controls. Down below we have a wireless phone charger, heated seats, and electronic parking brake. In the rear seating we have a center armrest with cup holders and a USB-C and a USB-A charging port. Taking a look in the rear of the Crosstrek, we have 60/40 split seats, a tonneau cover, and a spare tire with tools. Thanks again for watching another walk-around video review with us here at Subaru of Saskatoon. Be sure to stop by or give us a call and set up your test drive.